Well, welcome to our YouTube channel. This is our first ever video. Shut up, confieso! Introduce yourself!
Sorry. Oh, shut the head up, I swear to God.
Those two, they like getting into stuff. I'm not a part of that. Don't blame me for anything that they do. Not a single thing. They are their own.
Should we say our names?
Click on this. You want PS Play Haunted Asylum.
Yes, correct. But which one do you think? Like, do you think we're all gonna come out alive? Because I already know you're not coming out alive. Shadow, I already know you're gonna screw up. You're gonna be goofy. And you're gonna accidentally.
I'm gonna be like Goofy.
Now you're gonna run up to someone and then you're
Oh,
like,
my name is Shadow, and this is Sonic, and this is Tails. The one who gets no
People should already know that, Shadow. People should already know that.
I don't give a sh.
Anyway, let's get started.
I didn't cuss.
Hey, crew,
I just said.
get the door.
Let's go.
get it started.
Oh, no.
Yeah, let's get it started. Let's get it started. Reading freezers.
Oh hell no! I'm gonna be
Let's get it started. Yeah, let's get it started.
Nice.
Let's get it started. Yeah, let's get it started. Get on the
Shadow, turn off your light and get out.
Turn it off. Turn it off.
I did.
Get out of the corner. He's gonna kill us.
Where is he?
No, honestly, I don't know. What? That's what I'm saying.
Hold on, I gotta enable something. Quick.
Turn it off.
For like.
Turn it off, monkey.
Oh shit!
Ooh, see?
Shadow, language!
Monkey!
Oh my bad! I'm scared! I'm gonna be like Goofy after this! I'm saying that
I'm gonna be losing my mind after this, dude.
I swear, if Shadow.
We are two in the same person.
I swear, if Shadow somehow gets his ass chased.
Runs down here, I'm gonna have to unadopt him.
Oh, Snickers actually said the A word. That's a no-no.
Oh, snickerdoodles! Oh, snickerdoodles! That's a big no-no here. Can't. Oh.
Gone?
What the? I mean, what?
I can't really tell. Never mind, he's upstairs.
Get your cow!
Get in the corner.
With this divine wielded treasure, I summon my Garaga.
Is it just me, or is Queso jumping?
My God.
Shadow?
From stars,
Really?
me.
You're cowarding in
Get
here?
out the corner, you scaredy cat!
I never expected to have a Shadow that's fucking scared. I thought we recruited a good Shadow. Jesus.
I hate scary stuff. That's the only thing I don't like.
Dude, he's not even coming. He's upstairs. There's no jump scares here.
Yet, the room is upstairs.
Yeah, as you were saying.
Run there for your lives because he's coming in here next.
It's over there. We have a chance to go upstairs. Sorry if my audio's bad. Because it might be, because I'm experiencing a lot of lag.
But can you still hear us?
Yeah, I can still hear you guys. Maybe I should just turn off this mirror. Yeah, that helps.
Right as you say lag, I have a lag spike.
Exactly. Let's get it started.
We're gonna kiosk to go. We're gonna kiosk.
Okay. Shadow, where'd you go?
Yes.
I swear. Or he probably died. Oh wait, no, he couldn't have died.
What?
Why is it always bathrooms? Swear to God. I'm gonna open up every bathroom and then the kitchen. Click. Right. Jeez.
You heard my scream.
It's so did the viewers. Jesus. Now, what kind of scream was that? And where's Shadow? Shadow, where'd you go, buddy?
I lost it, man. I said,
Yes, scaredy hog. Jeez. Anything, you should be scareder one here. Jesus. It's like you
I think I am.
It's like you two switched roles or something. Buddy's about to go upstairs.
No, he's not. No, he's not. Stop. Wait a minute.
Alright, so now we can check the other side. I trust. Actually, no. Shadow!
Help.
Shadow? Shadow?
I'm serious, that's why I'm taking it down.
Come on, Shadow, we have to show you something. Shadow, we have to show you something. Come here.
If I had the music off, it would be so much.
Just follow us, Shadow.
It's just the music that's what's scaring me. That's why.
Down here.
Just
Follow us.
Wait, can you turn up the music in this game?
Don't worry, we're pros at this.
You should have done that sooner
If I
while
could turn
we're
up
in the
this
lobby.
music-
You can't do it
If
now.
I could turn off this music, I'll be a god at this game
Just turn
right
off the
now.
world volume. Yeah, that would probably be a bad idea because you wouldn't know if the monster's
How do I
chasing
do
you.
that?
Just
You wouldn't know
follow
if the
us.
monster's chasing you, so don't do that. So come
No,
on.
because I'm gonna be following you.
Just
Okay,
Follow
but how
us.
do you
Yeah,
do it?
come on, follow us.
go back in, go back in. No, 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 no. Stay here, stay here. Monster's nearby. I can hear his big old footsteps. I can tell he's Queso's brother.
Wait, if I turn off the world thing, can I still hear you guys?
Yeah, you can still hear us.
How do you turn it off? I'm actually gonna kill myself.
Just turn it down. Jesus.
How?
Figure it out!
Oh, I tried it off. That's cool.
What goes around comes around, round, round.
Tell me if he's coming. I don't even understand.
Well,
I'm gonna lose my mind,
big
man.
old footy steps. It's coming.
Yeah, stick it in the corner, dude.
Get in our corner, Shadow. I can already tell he went inside the bedroom. Yeah,
Alright, come on.
in the bedroom.
Shadow.
Monsters in the bedroom right now. I
Scared.
can tell.
Wait, this is super weird. I'm scared of the music, not the thing.
I'm gonna
I'm scared
slap
of the
you.
music. That's scary.
Oh.
Are you there?
He's in there. Get in here. Okay, now, Shadow, follow us.
Come on.
Why do I turn on the music? I don't want it on.
Come here, Shadow. Stop! Just play the game! Don't care about the music! Now, Shadow, I want you to sit in this chair. Not you, Shadow.
Yes, in this tree.
Hookah, 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 hookah,
Finally, the coward's gone.
Yeah, now I can do this easier. I'll get the key. Let's go to the basement.
That's a skedaddle, I guess.
Very quietly, too. Don't worry, Shadow, we're coming. Don't worry, Shadow, we're
What
coming.
did you do? Why did you do that?
Because you were a
I'm
worthy
here, you
sacrifice. Hi.
My hair, you dumb. Open the stupid door.
Now where's the key? Ah, so you found it, Tails. Wait, where's Slush? Oh,
There's
we're
stupid
just
something
placing
in here.
slush
Now
on the
open the
table
fucking
and
door. I'm
pick up
actually
mine.
gonna kill myself.
Bro, did you hear him say, hey?
yeah, I did. Now, Shadow, get out of that room.
I'm actually gonna kill you. How can this stop? Oh,
Womp womp.
what the hell is that? What the fuck?
Now, get your flashlight.
Give me that shit.
I'm just gonna check doors down here
Never
real
do that
quick.
again. I'll kill you.
Ow! I just received a butt ton of lag.
Oh, wow. I've
Now
been
we've got-
possessed by demons.
I'm start it up. Cause I have the
It's a movie,
key.
bro.
Now just find the key.
Who are these people? Are you gay or something? Who are
And
these
hide in the
people?
corner.
Yep. Hide. Get in our corner.
You got to get in the corner, dude. I want Shadow to get caught. Those are our clowns.
Did you just fucking fart? I heard a fart.
No, dude. The farts aren't that loud. They may be loud, but they're not that loud.
Alright, now that we got the key, time to find the next door.
Shadow, get out of the corner, you monkey.
Shadow, get out the corner.
Get out of the corner.
Get out the corner.
I'm scared.
Let me friend you real quick since you're
Where's
part
that
of the
fat ass
franchise.
going?
Damn, insulting people already. Not surprised. Darn. Damn. What comes around goes.
What you doing?
I love it. Okay, now we check up here. It's downstairs. And he's downstairs. How amazing! So epically awesome! Just jump. Jesus. Hold up. Let me just. What goes around comes around. Round goes around.
He's right there! Stay in the corner, stay in the corner, stay in the corner.
It's not dark enough. Go in this corner.
It's not dark enough, bro. You're gonna get caught.
You gon' get bit. You gon' get bit.
Whose hands on my face? Fat hands.
Not mine.
Shadow, why are fat hands on my face, dude? But sick. Alright, people. Alright, you beautiful people. Alright, you amazing, delightful, sick.
Nope. This video better get. Honestly, if this video gets at least like 20 likes, we'll make a part 2 of Haunted Asylum.
Part 2?
But that's only if we don't beat the game. If we don't beat the game, then we won't make a part 2. Shadow, you idiot! Shadow, you idiot! Shadow, stay here for now. Watch. Just stay here for a little bit.
Okay, my face away.
You dumb bitch! Oopsie poopsie.
Loser.
I accidentally said the B word. That's a no-no word.
Bad word.
No, it isn't.
Bad thing.
Why do I feel like it's the dining room? Never mind.
You're gonna get bland.
You gonna get
it's
bit.
in the basement.
Oh, he's in the basement. He's in the basement?
In the basement.
Who broke this shelf? Who got so mad they broke his shelf?
Me.
Yeah, might have been.
Shadow, why'd you do that? Why'd you do that?
I couldn't be. I couldn't win in Fortnite.
What the hell was that? Who just burped?
I gotta stop.
I didn't hear nothing.
That was Shadow. You got it! Just pee-peed in my pants.
Of course you did.
Why is that? Of course I did.
I need you.
You remember your
I hear it behind me. I hear it behind me. I just gotta run this way.
You are hard diddly.
Hard diddly do,
boy,
hard
man.
diddly do, hard diddly do, diddly do.
It's in the boy and went.
Go! What are you doing? Hey, help me! Go! Go! Get in the stupid corner!
I'm tweaking, man. I'm tweaking.
Ah, I don't like this.
I'm shaking, I swear to God.
I'm tweaking, bro. I started emoting while running.
I started shaking and I saw he's up.
Shut up! Shut up! He's near. Tails, shut up! I know that was you. Shut up, Tails! Yes, I did a reference. We do references from time to time, cause
There's no one there.
womp womp. What goes around comes around.
I'm tweaking. Let me emoting. I was throwing my hands over there. Bro, I'm tweaking, man. I could.
Get in the stupid corner. Now, Tails.
Lagging. Lagging. Gee.
And after this, I'll start it up.
Yeah. I can hear you guys. I'm just lagging. Jesus.
Oh yeah, but that's good because on my recording thing, bro, when we were recording, I don't know about you, but I was my recording was
Either way. Alright. That was risky. I almost died.
Yeah.
Come on, cut that scream out though. Cut that scream out.
No, I don't have good enough editors yet, so lol.
Dang it. Cut that scream out.
If anything, I don't even have editors yet.
In Green Hill, we don't even have.
Good idea, Shadow.
I can't get anymore.
Shut up, Tails.
Yo. did you just leave me there, Tails? Why?
I
Why
didn't
did
do
you leave me
anything.
there?
I can't.
I didn't do anything.
I'm
I need a
surprised.
flashlight. I need a flashlight because I will not see. I cannot see at
I
all.
am surprised you
I just see him.
even
He's like
survived. I am surprised
You hear my
even
scream
survived.
from down the hall?
Yes, I did. That is staying in. All your screams actually are staying in. I hear a giant chicken muncher.
Where is he now?
He's downstairs. Ah,
Oh, fiddlesticks.
I
oh, we got the key.
What did you guys get?
Your mom. That's what we got. Bye.
Yeah, that's exactly what it.
I already got the key.
We got W raised, bro. You have your face mirror on!
I don't have my face mirror on. Why would I?
Gotta turn that thing on.
I have to turn my face mirror on?
How did I not die from him?
Yes.
How did I not die?
Yes. Yes. Pingus.
English indeed.
Angus. I think that I don't think he's unkillable, so he can't kill us.
Womp 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 womp.
You'd be
If I
surprised.
slip, I'm just gonna fly up.
No.
With my special power.
No, that's cheating. That's cheating, Shadow. Mm-mm.
No, that's cheating.
That's Shadow.
That's cheating.
Bad.
I'm still using
Bad.
it. I don't know. He's
Sir.
right there, he's right there. Get it, get it. Somebody, what you doing?
Well, hold up.
You bitch.
Let me read it! Let me read it!
What do you say you doing?
Stop! Let me read it!
What do you say?
I will kill you.
Paul! Paul! It's Big Fat Paul with a starchy feet.
Go away.
Walk past the room. You don't.
Give me back my paper.
What?
Where's the paper? Gib. Gib.
Let's
Gib.
look for the key, y'all.
Give me it. Shadow.
If I just see it, I'm just gonna fly up.
Shadow.
How did not die? How did I not die?
Okay.
Look at me, I'm gonna be cheating the whole time.
Some idiot boarded up the elevator door, thinking it would stop that hellspawn from getting in. Surprise! It didn't. And now I can't get to the elevator either without learning that
You know, it's the flashlight.
My only hope is that Axe left in the stock room. But the door is locked, and not to mention the noise I would make from chopping down those boards would be tremendous. I don't know how to pronounce that word.
Gotta get the key!
For me, isn't it?
Help me! Where are you guys?
Over for me, isn't it?
I was gonna die. I'm gonna die.
I can only pray God will have mercy on my soul. There, I read it. Now look for the key.
Yeah, 'cause I just
Oh my god. Don't annoy.
Where is he?
You suck for that.
We have to read it for the video.
No!
Yes, we did. we did in our Sonic and Shadow canceled series. Jesus.
Cancel projects?
Yeah.
I'm just gonna tell you.
That was our canceled project.
I wonder what we would even name that channel though.
We even made like 2 videos without a name. We made 2 videos without naming it. 3? We made yeah, so we got 3 canceled videos. That's what we got. What comes around goes around.
I love Sonic because Sonic X Shadow.
What?
That's what it said
Get out!
on the paper.
Get out! Get out!
That's what I said on. I'm joking. That's what I said on the paper. No,
Get
no,
out,
no,
Shadow.
no.
Get out.
No, no,
Get out!
no, not like love. No,
We don't allow shits here.
generation.
Oh.
No, not like love. Generation.
Oh.
Generation.
Oh, you mean the fucking Sonic and Shadow Generations thing? Yeah. Just call it Sonic Generations plus
What?
Shadow. Just call it that. I can't see the glitter.
Find this key.
I can't see the glitter.
Oh, I found a key right here. Right here. Right here. It's right there. I found a key. It's right there.
Then grab it.
I want to grab it. I don't want to grab it.
Ow, like I hate you. You hate me. Let's team up in the first room. How did it not see me? Guess I'm looking for Keanu as they run. Really, Shadow? You climbed the Shadow, how are you this stupid? Stuck finding Keanu. That's it. Hey, monster thingy! Come at me! Bad idea, bad idea, bad idea, bad idea! There, stalled it for you. Now get down. Slept out of existence. Nothing in there.
gonna remove Shadow from this recording if you don't get down from there.
I will remove Shadow from this group if he doesn't get down from there. We need a more serious and tough Shadow. That's how Shadow is. Of course he's got good. Just take your height real quick.
He's downstairs right now.
Get down
Yeah,
from
he's
there.
going down. He's coming downstairs. Under here to like.
Swear to God, you're not. There is no scare at all.
Stop being a win.
I'm trying to.
It's gonna be on now.
Just get my down there.
Gonna bust.
Okay, we just gotta find this key. That's all we gotta do.
Be able to find the key because Shadow keeps flying. And you know what happened the last time he cheated? You know what happened the last time? It didn't work, did it? Couldn't find the key.
Glitched out. Not. Let's just go for part 2. Everyone just die. Since Shadow's being a wuss, we'll do a part 2 once we get 20 likes. Hey, yo, monsters thinking. Killed it. Bye. In the outro. we need to do the outro. We just need Tails
You
here.
didn't do the outro. Well, it was a long time that we've been in the game, so the
Harry.
B word.
now I can turn back on the
Can't say the B word. I can't say that. I can't.
He did it! We're doing another video after this. See you, everybody. See you. Have a nice time on the channel. Please lights. Please subscribe.
Get to be.
Nuh-uh. It's only me.
Get to say anything in the outro.
I hope you guys enjoyed that. And you can do whatever you want. Subscribe it or unsubscribe. It's free. I don't know what to do. Yeah, you don't have to if you want to.
Honestly,
Let me
you
say
really don't have to.
Yes.
Honestly,
Let
you
me
can
say something.
humiliate us in comments right now. And we
If you
wouldn't care.
don't subscribe or like, I'm gonna swear to God, I'm gonna do some things to you. Anyways.